Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 9T, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel and find the battery saver toggle, which for me is on the second page in the corner right here. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it to enable it, and this will enable the power saving mode. You can also do a couple additional things past this, because as you can see, it doesn't really do much in terms of saving the power. So majority of the things are still enabled. So if you want to preserve your battery a little bit better than the actual power saving mode, what you can do is simply turn off location, use only one, either mobile network or Wi-Fi, and disable the other. So if you plan to use only, for instance, Wi-Fi right now, get rid of the mobile. And on the second page, turn off NFC if it's not needed. If you have hotspot on, also disable it. You can also turn on dark mode. This will increase a little bit of the battery, not by much though. And if you have location on, also disable that. Additionally, to extend your battery even further, a great way to do it is by dropping your max brightness of your device. If I could actually do that. Oh, there we go. So by dropping it, you will increase your battery further. The brightness, by dropping it halfway, you gain several hours of battery life, so it's a really good trade-off in my opinion. Now, I will mention one thing: when the do not disturb mode isn't, or not do not disturb, what am I saying? The battery saver mode is enabled, your device will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile data after a specific period of inactivity when it's in sleep mode. Sleep mode meaning this. So when your device is in this state for several minutes, it will disconnect from those, from basically all kinds of networks, and that will result in you not receiving any kind of messages, updates, anything like that. That would require internet connection. That is because your device doesn't have internet connection in this mode right now. The moment you receive notifications is basically when you unlock your device. It will automatically reconnect and sync everything up that it was missing. So that being said, once you're done with the battery saver mode, you can simply tap on it to turn it off, and this will basically bring the device back to normal functioning. And if you want some of those toggles back on, then simply tap on them. So that is how you would use the power saving mode here. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.